Second, public revenue. Public revenue means the aggregate collection of income with the government through various sources. The main sources of public revenue are as follows: A. Taxes. B. Non-tax revenue. A. Taxes. There are two main types of taxes. They are first, direct tax and second, indirect tax. Let's understand the types of taxes in detail. First, direct tax. The tax paid by a person or a company directly to the imposing entity is known as direct tax. This form of tax is borne entirely by the entity that pays it and cannot be passed on to anyone. For example, personal income tax, wealth tax, etc. Second, indirect tax. It is levied on goods or services. It is paid at the time of production or sale and purchase of a commodity or a service. The burden of an indirect tax can be shifted by the taxpayer, that is producers, to other persons. Hence, impact and incidence of tax are on different heads. For example, newly implemented goods and service tax, that is GST, in India has replaced almost all indirect taxes and custom duties. B. Non-tax revenue sources. Public revenue received by the government administration, public enterprises, gifts and grants, etc. are called as non-tax revenue. A brief information about non-tax revenue sources are as follows. First, fees. Second, prices of public goods and services. Third, special assessment. Fourth, fines and penalties. Fifth, gifts, grants and donations. Sixth, special levies. Seventh, borrowings.